You never know when a catastrophic homeowner event will happen. Well, mine wasn't that bad, but it was close. I had just spent an hour and a half mowing these 3 yards before departing on vacation. I turned off the mower to use the blower, and when I try to restart the mower, this is what I got. Before I could look into the issue, I had to see a man about a boat. But when I returned, the issue was still waiting for me. Asked around to see what others thought it could be, and here are a few of the responses. Since the starter isn't turning the engine over, you need to replace the starter. The alternator isn't working since it should have charged the battery after that much mow time. There's a bad electrical connection. You have a faulty voltage regulator. Your charging circuit is not working properly. Not sure, but why do you start on full throttle? But there is one suggestion I got multiple times, and that was, you have a dead battery. This seemed like a good place to start, and I had my fingers crossed because this is somewhat of an easy fix. First, we'll remove the battery and take it to the parts store to have them tested. The only tip I have here is when taking a battery out, you're supposed to remove the negative terminal first. The reason is so you don't cause an electrical short. And this step is not required, but it is satisfying to watch. Since there's an Autozone near my house, I stopped there. They have a battery tester that they'll hook up to your battery and tell you if there's any issues. In my case, the tester said it had a bad cell. I've had this battery since I bought the mower back in 2019, so I've got my money's worth. But I was honestly shocked at how much lawnmower batteries are these days. The cheapest with an exchange was $39.99 and the most expensive was $62.99. I ended up letting the clerk talk me into getting the most expensive one, so let's get this installed and see if we can get 5 years out of this one also. Same concept here, but in reverse. We'll install the positive terminal first and then the negative. Now that we put the finishing touches on installing the new battery, let's see if it fixed our issue. The mower no longer sounds like a machine gun, but we're not quite out of the woods yet. The last time, the battery was dead after mowing for about an hour or an hour and a half. Let's see if we can get through these 3 yards again, turn it off, and see if it fires back up. I did end up getting the other 2 yards finished up right as it got dark. I've had the mower off for a few minutes while I blew off the mower and the driveway, so let's see if it'll start. Luckily, the issue was an easy fix and swapping out the battery is all that was needed. If your mower won't start and you're having similar sounds come from your mower, maybe that's all you need. Thanks for watching, and I will leave you with my attempt to get this dog on our bus in Aruba.